Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L3256 printer driver download and installations and how to connect. So first you have to open any browser and enter the model number of printer, and after that you can see this is first result of epson.co.in. I just click on this URL. This is officially site, so you have to required firmware, driver, scanner, software, and you can download. Then scroll down, then you can see this is a driver. You have to just click it, and then this is, you can see this is a printer driver. You have just click to download, and after that scroll down, and this is the scanner, and this is Windows 11, and this is Windows 10 also supporting, 7 also supporting. So all operating systems support this software, and installations process same. And this is download icon. You just click to download. It will start downloading, and it will take some time and depend about internet speed. So you can see this is size is 67.3 MB. So just single click to open. After that click yes. Now this is extracting drivers to your system. Just click to OK. After that again click OK. Now agree, then OK. Now this is installing the driver to your system. Okay, after that there are two options to install. First via network and second USB. So if you install the network, so connect to LAN cable to your printer, and after that click to search options. Then you just click to OK, and then OK. It will search and find out your printer IP address. And if you don't know, you have to know about your printer IP, so you just enter the printer IP and all. Okay, this is, and then second options, if you install the via USB, so your printer connect to your desktop laptop via printer USB cable. After that click to OK. Now you can see it will detect, and just next to install. So you both, when you installing the network via Wi-Fi LAN, and you are using suppose your USB printer USB cable connecting to, so you facing some issues, so please comment me. I will give you solutions. Thank you.